Good morning, children. And now so much long having in class online classes, and now today topic is class fifth, and now class is fifth maths. And today newly topic in discussing about, and you also interesting also this topic. You can see in blackboard all members. Now this topic is word mass. What? Word mass. Word mass. You can board mass. You can read is board mass. B is silent having. Board mass. Okay, this is how like to this board mass. This is single letters, and the single letters also some meanings and some problems also. The single letter to also doing. Now the single letters. How like to some questions having. You can see guys. How like to this formation. You can blackboard to all different type of letters present, and now different type of letters name also present. You can see, and write must and should. You can properly brain keep in. You can symbols also present, and you can keep it in your mind. Now word mass. Word mass in first letter is V. This capital letters all also you can write in capital letters. Now word mass you can first is vinculum. Now this is vinculum also. You can anyone to in previous classes to not read vinculum. Not you can one only you can read. This is bar like structure. This bar like structure. Bar like structure means this is one of the line. This line how can to use, and how can to use I can say. You can see guys in bar like structure, this structure which one to use and which one to how like to use in this bar like structure. And next topic too you can see, and this structure is one of the line structure bar. And next is B, this capital letter B. This capital letter B name is brackets. Brackets means bracket. This is three types of brackets present. One of the small bracket. This is like structure is bond bracket. Now chain bracket. Chain bracket. This is a chain bracket. Now is big bracket. Okay. This series like structure. Now you can see guys. This is a first, and this is second, and this is third. Why? Because sir, this is like in you can write in firstly you can chain bracket and small bracket, chain bracket and big bracket. But you can solve before. You can see in big bracket where you can see, and where present you can solve in big bracket. Then after you can chain bracket. Then after in small. Okay, this is only last bracket. Small bracket means last. And now B over means O, and this is O means off. O means what? Off. Off means into. Sir, what sir? And also multiplication also you can do it in into. But this off some questions to present you can solve in present in half, like what any one question in present means you can directly into them. Okay, this is OF of anyone to present means you keep it in sign is into. And now word mass over and three letters over, and now remaining fourth letter D, capital letter D, division. Already in you can know in division how like to have it, but that's why you can D means division, means divide like structure. Now M means what? Multiplication. M means multiplication into. A means addition. Okay. S means subtraction. Now guys, this is word mass. You can any one equation to and any one numbers to present, but serially you can see it. For example, one equation present. One equation to vinculum not present. Not present means next step is bracket present. You only bracket to only you can solve it this question. Directly you go in multiplication means into present means directly you go means into present is answer is wrong having. Means you systematic and series like structure only. This is V after B only, B after O only, O after D only, D after M only, M after A only, A after S only. This is structure you can see in you can see after, and this only that's why you can keep it in your mind. In this is letters you can keep it. V after B, B after O after D, D after M, M after A after S. That's letters you can keep it in your mind, and that's letter symbols you can keep it in your mind. Okay. Now this is the symbols how like to use. Once example I can say, you can see in blackboard. Now example. You can see 117 plus 9 into 5 3 into 8 plus 55 into 55 plus 8 into 7 plus 6. Sir, this both equation present how like to solve, and that's why this is equation and this is letters you can keep in brain. Now you can how like to use. Now what must first letter what? V symbol what? Bar. Anyone to numbers to bar like structure present? No, and that's why you can leave it. And next what? B means what? Brackets. Sir, this is equation 2 and this is numbers 2. Anyone brackets present symbols? And no, and that's why you can leave it. And next O means what? Off like to letter anyone to present? No means you can leave it. Now D is division like structure anyone to present? No means you can leave it. Now M means what? Multiplication. Sir, multiplication present, and this place one present, and that place one present, and that place one present, and that place. Total how much present multiplication? 1, 2, 3, 4 multiplication present. And now next addition. Addition present 1, 2, 3 present. Subtraction present. And this 3 case present. But you can solve it in multiplication. Now remember, you can keep it in mind. Multiple after addition, addition after subtraction. Now solve it. Now how like to solve, you can see guys. Keep it guys. Multiplication means addition present, you directly down to write 117 plus 9. Listen, 9 not right. Why? Because multiplication solve means here multiplication present. 9 5 are how much? 45. One equation over, and one question and one numbers over, and one symbol over. And next another multiplication. Keep it minus. 3 8 are how much? 24. And another one also over. Next, remember, addition. Directly keep. Why? Because multiplication is present, remember. Now 55 into 55, how much having? 55 into 55, how much having? 3025. 3025. And this is also multiplication over. And next plus 8, not 8. Why? Because this 8 7s are how much? 8 7s are how much? 56 plus 6. Okay, this equation into over. Next remaining multiplication after what? Addition. Understand? Keep it in your mind. Addition where present you can solve, not in subtraction. Now firstly you can solve it. Addition after you can solve it in subtraction. Now addition here present you can solve it. Addition means 5 plus 7 how much? 12. Keep it. Means 4 plus 1 how much? 5. 5 plus 1 6. Remaining 1. Addition 1 over. Remaining you keep it minus. 24 plus 3025. We can solve it. This is 3025. 5 plus 4 9. 2 plus 2 4 0. Next 3. Next remaining 56 plus 6 how much? 12. 6 62. Next 9 plus 2 how much? 9 plus 2 10 11. 5 0 3 3 0 5 1. This 3 0. Listen, wait. Guys, once you can see guys. Now listen, and before in topic one small mistake having. Now you can see easily, you can understand. Now you can addition. Addition means which one to addition present first you can addition. This is one of the addition, and this is one of the addition, and this is one of the addition. Now remaining one only present. This is minus subtraction. This is subtraction means which number before to present minus, and 24 minus 24 to present in minus. means you can write 24. 24. That symbol you can write. Okay, leave it. And remaining these two also you can solve it. This 117 and 45, 162. And this total 4. 1, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This total 6 also you can manage. 3, 0, 2, 5. This is 56, 56. How much? 62. This both also you can mix with 162. Now this is 9, 14, 1, 2, 3, 2, 4, 9. Now this 3, 2, 4, 9 minus 24. You can solve it. 9 minus 4 how much? 5. 4 minus 2, 5. 2, 4 minus 2, sorry, 2. 2 means this is only answer. 3, 2, 2, 5. Easily guys, you can solve it before. This is mainly keep it in your mind. Ward mass. This is V means Vinculum, D means bracket, O means off, M means multiplication, and D means division, A means addition, subtraction. This is only series like structure. You can see guys, and this topic you can neatly you can understand means some examples I can see. I can give, you can solve after, you can send the pictures. And some questions I give, you can solve. Now question number 1. Hundred, 500 minus 80. This is one of the equation. Question number 2. 90 into 70 plus 60 minus 80 divided 2. Now question number 3. 60 plus 'Okay, these 4 questions you can solve after you can send the picture. Now today topic is word mass over, and now some equations I'm given and send the pictures. And this equation is algebraic equations. This equation you can by heart, and then after right after you can send the picture in your tuition group. And now neatly you can understand guys, you can see, and once again and repeatedly you can see, easily you can this is process you can. Word mass means easily you can understand. Now goodbye, stay home, master and shoot.